So I haven't spoken to you guys at all in this vlog, and I'm so sorry. Things clearly did not go as I planned them to happen. I did my hair. You guys saw me, you know, washing the wig, styling it, and getting ready for my hairstylist to come in and help me to fix it. So what she did for me is a versatile hairstyle, by the way, and I didn't want her to sew it in for me.
Oh, sorry, start recording. I had no idea. I'm gonna give you a phone. Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Can you see how beautiful this woman is? She is really beautiful. Life is really good, guys. Life is good. Yeah, so, babe, I'm waiting for you so kind.
Sorry for the break in transmission. So this is how I wore it to church. Let me do a quick speed. You guys do see me. This is how I wear it to church, and I think this is how I will most likely wear it for the most part. Let me loosen it. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. Let me just take out a little bit so you guys can see my hair. So all this bit here, this is my hair when it's stretched. So on both sides, I don't want to take it off so that I don't want to mess with this stretch that's going on right now. But yeah, let's comb it so you guys can see. Using a wide tooth comb. Yeah. So this is what it's looking like. Let me show you guys the back. I have hair left out of the back. So if I want to pack it up, I can. I have hair out on both sides and obviously in the middle. Ooh, I love this. Okay, let me do my video. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be unnecessarily long. Okay, so the product that I used, drum roll, if you've tried this product, please let me know. It's the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil co-wash. I got the co-wash, actually I did a co-wash regimen this time. It came so full, my hair took up half of the product. Smells nice. This thing, when I tell you, my hair loved it. My hair was just like, do you know when you finally feed something that's been hungry for years? My hair was, I wish I showed you guys. I wish I recorded it. I'm so pained, but yeah, I'm so happy with my hair. It suits me, I think. I really love hairstyles like this. I really do. Like, thank you so much for watching. Sorry, this video was a little bit too goofy and me feeling myself. Why am I even saying sorry? You know, if I feel good, I feel good. Okay? I feel good. So I'm hungry. I'm always very hyped when I'm really hungry. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, because what YouTube is doing right now is if you don't see the video, they're not going to push it to you. So please subscribe, click the notification bell so that when I upload you can see them, you can watch them, and that tells YouTube that, hey, I know this girl, I watch your videos, I enjoy your content, can I see more of this? And because you said you watched, and because you've done that, YouTube then will say, oh, so if you liked it, maybe Marianne will like it, and then they suggest my videos to Marianne, and that's how this little community grows. So please, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. You guys don't leave a comment, you guys don't talk to me, and I'm always trying to talk to you guys. Please leave a comment down below. I really want to chat with you guys, build this little community of ours. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.